What's up? I hope you're doing great. I hope you're doing fine. Yeah, so today, as usual, we are looking on this beautiful pair Nasdaq as usual. Okay, you always look at Nasdaq like, yeah, so we have like 2 minutes until we open. We have 2 minutes, so we're still watching and seeing what they want to do. Okay, so above here you can see these two dotted lines here. That's our volume imbalance. You can see there's no trading around there. We have these liquidity pools. We have yesterday's low. The yesterday's lows is intact, and we also have some liquidity pools below here, 25,590. So that's around basically that's how many points, like from where we are at the moment to that point, that's 70 points. So we're not trading, like we're just trading until we can see something to trade. So I have some conviction that we can come up to this point. Like you can see this point, I have I believe that like we can come up to this point. Okay, I have huge belief in that. So the bell, we already hit our 930. So let's go to the lower time frame and see what we are doing here. Okay, so it's 9:30 already. It's 9:30 already. Let's see what the market wants to give us. So if they reject this, if they take out this low, I'll anticipate some bullish prices. Okay, if they take out this low, you can see, let's put some dollar tag around there. So if they take this low, I'll be looking to maybe long for a little bit up to this volume imbalance, since it's an intraday trade. Yeah, overall we're bearish. You can look at the 4-hour chart. Let's go to the 4-hour. Like you can see in the 4-hour chart, we are very bearish. Okay, but if it gives us a little retracement to the top, we can take that. But I'd love for them to not first take this liquidity out. I'd love for them to like take this thing up first, because before we go somewhere like we go upwards. Okay, I mean we go downwards. First, I'd love for them to take out some form of buy-side liquidity before we can tank. But I think they'll start with taking out yesterday's low. You can see we have yesterday's low around here. So this is a point of interest. So I'm anticipating for them to like form a market maker buy model. Okay, where we get some down movement, then some up movement at the same time. Yeah, I can see we've taken out this liquidity pool over here. These are liquidity, that's still liquidity that we've swept around there. Yeah, so will we close above this? I want to see price close above this if we are moving from that point. Actually, that would be the best scenario, like leaving this low here without taking this sell side liquidity at 24,675. That will be a very good scene to watch. Okay, yeah, I guess we just closed above that point. So let's see if we close above that point, we can anticipate for them to come up to this three, actually these are three equal highs. Like, yeah, these are very critical point. Like, I think they might try to come around this point. Let's make this eye bigger. Yeah, that's visual, that's visible. I'd love for us to come around this point, like where there's an eye. Yeah, we're bearish here, but I'd love for them to, like, if we close above that, let's make this line like a big red line, not a dotted one. Yeah, let's make it red. Let's fill it with red. Yeah. So if we close above that point, I'd love for them to, like, go up, and yeah, I think we will do that. I think we will go and take out this. Yeah, I think yeah, we just tried to shoot up. Yeah, but yeah, they are going so fast. So I'd expect some form of retracement around there, so before it keeps going up. If you are really bullish, I'd love to see this sort of yeah, that way. Let's see. If you're bullish, I'd anticipate for price to first come down to this fair value gap that it's left here, then keep going up for our 2R. That's a 2R. If we target up to this volume imbalance, that's a clean 3R, okay? Of which is something good, okay? It's something good. Because we have like 3 equal highs above that point. I mean 3, 3, that's so much. So will we go down and activate that order? That's what I'm waiting to see. That's what I'm anticipating. Come back to the we come back to that point, then perhaps we can keep going up. Okay, I don't want us to keep going from there. Like, nope, it's not a buy from that point. I want them to, like, value. Okay, yeah, let's see if that's what they'll do. Yeah, I think they might use that fair value gap and move up. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, yeah, I think they've started to go up. Let's see if we get to the TP. Let's see if we get to TP. We have some wicks around that point. They're throwing wicks around that point. Yeah. I'm anticipating some quick run to TP. Yeah, let's keep going up. Let's keep going up. Let's keep going up, baby. Okay, now let's see some momentum from that point. Yeah, we've touched that order block, that red line over there. So I hope we see some like speedy movement to the upwards. Remember, we don't risk more than like 0.5%, like that's being moderate, okay? If you're being aggressive, you only risk like 1%, okay? Yeah. The 5-minute time frame tells us like we can be still in a short, but yeah, it's what it is. Let's see how it goes. let's see how it goes. Yeah, I don't think they leave these highs intact. Like I really doubt like they leave these highs and this volume imbalance. Okay, so this 5 minutes time frame, it's too good to be true. Yeah, it might work and take us out, but it seems so good to be true. Yeah, and we also have this previous day low over here. Yeah, let's see how they play out. Yeah, they're digging into that order block. It's a 1 minute order block. Let's see if it holds or it doesn't hold. Whatever happens, it's all right. So we're targeting these 3 equal highs, or it can come and take out these equal lows of bro, we got liquidated. Damn. Yeah, I guess they're going for that previous day low. I guess they're going for that previous day low. Let's wait for our second, like maybe setup if they give us some. Yo, they're dropping this thing like a motherfucker, bro. Like shit. Yeah, this is some nasty business, bro. Let's keep watching. So I think we should stick trading to the direction of the higher time frame. You can see our time frame says like we are bearish, but we tried to catch that reverse. Okay, but no problem. Let's wait and see what happens. Let's see if we get a continuation to the low. So we have this point here. This yeah, I guess we are tanking to that level. Let's see if they come back to this level, this red line. If they do, we are shorting it again. I hope they don't take previous day low, so that we can use it to target the lower low. Okay, so this is our entry here. Let's wait. Yo, I think they'll take that low without us. Damn, man, like damn, no problem. Yo, they are really tanking this thing. Damn it. Yeah, I think we've tagged yesterday's low. I think we are melting towards this other pool of liquidity over here. Yeah, let's see. We have an imbalance below here. I guess that's our ultimate target again. We can go to that level. Let's see in the 1 minute if they give us something to enter. I hope they do. I hope they really do. 4 hour. Let's go back to our 4 hour. So we have this up close candle. We have this up close candle over here. Let's mark it green. Yeah, let's mark it green. I think we might try and use this. Like, if we are really bearish, I'd expect some reaction around this point. Okay, since we've already taken yesterday's low. Clean. Frankly speaking, that sell was clean. Like, yo, it was a clean sell, but we was caught up trying to like buy like a trade that we have a DOL here. We had our DOL here, so we were caught trying to like catch a reversal and making it fancy, but no wahala. Yeah, let me drink some water, yo. It's hot in here. It's hot in here, my people, it's hot in here. Yo, you can just say hi. I see I have like 5 people watching. Yo, you can say hi. Tupeane moyo tukiso. Yeah, and I'm not so confident trying to sell after we've already taken out this low here. Like, yo, I'm not that confident. It's a risky business trying to sell when we've already taken out this liquidity. Yeah, it's so risky. Very, very risky actually. Yeah, it's very risky. Breaker. Yeah, we've taken out that previous day's low. This is the previous day's low. You can see it here. Yeah, this is the previous day low, and we've swept it. Okay, so what's next? I think we're getting that bullish run. Let's go to the 5 minutes and see something. Yeah, I don't know why I think like we're about to still tank. Yeah, I think we will still be tanking. I don't think we'll finish the tanking, because in the 4 hour, like, this thing is very, very, very bearish in the 4 hour. So let's keep watching this area. Let's keep watching this area on the 15 minutes. What do we have? This is the 15 minutes. If we close this bullish, I think we will still go down and take this liquidity pool below. I still think we will do that. Yeah, we better believe it, man. We better believe it. We better believe it, man. Yeah. This is the 5 minutes. I mean the 3 minutes. So I'm anticipating for like something like this. Let's see something like this, where we can make use of this, targeting that liquidity pool over down there. Okay, the sell side liquidity. It's like 3R here. Yeah, it's a 3R. Let's see if this is our trade, or we're going home like for good now, because once we get this wrong, I'm closing trading for today, man. But I hope I get this right. Okay, let's get ready. Yeah, let's get, yo, stop, don't go fast, like, wait for us. Just, oh, come for us, boy, come for us. Yeah, I still hope they come back. Still hope they do. Yeah, I still hope they do come back to our target. Yeah, don't go to the target first, bro. Come back for us, please. Come back for us. We need to recoup that loss that we took. If it gives us an entry, that's it. Okay, if it doesn't, we make peace with that. It's no biggie. Yeah, I think in the 5 minutes we sunk inside that tiny fair value gap there, and we are moving towards this a high-end like target, like, but I wanted them to come like to my TP, I mean to my entry first before they do that. But I think we might they might miss us. Yeah, I don't know, let's see. Yeah, I think we might this might go without us. Yeah, I think it might go without us, which is alright. Yo, I don't think they'll come for us, bro. I don't think they'll come back for us. Which is alright if they don't come back for us. No problem. Take note that we are below yesterday's low at this moment. We are still below yesterday's low, and anything can happen at this point. You can get like some sudden like movement upwards, like Nasdaq these days. Nasdaq is messy these days, you know. Nasdaq is so messy nowadays, so we gotta be careful. So I'm still anticipating for them like to shoot downwards, but I'd really love for them to come for my for my SL. I mean, not I don't want them to come for my SL. I want them to come for my like entry first before they tank down. But this was really a nice shot here. This was really a nice shot, but I got distracted and quite greedy to like be part of that trade. Then I missed my real sell over here. Okay, so I hope like we keep going down. Let's see this up close candle, what this gives us. Like we have this up close candles. Let's mark it green. So let's see if they test this area before tanking it even more. I think they won't come back. I don't think they'll come back. I think they'll go to the TP or to the DOL, because I'm not in this trade actually. But I took one buy thinking that this fair value gap here will work, but oh my god. Sometimes 1 minute fair value gap really messes me up. Like, I think I should stick to the 3 minutes time frame. Like, yeah, I think the 3 minutes time frame will work, because actually I think the 3 minutes time frame should be the least to be used, man, because it's so obvious. This fair value gap is so obvious. Tanking, but yeah, that's it. Sometimes the market can mess you up until you are like, I should stick to like 1:1. Sometimes I get those feelings like, should I stick to like 1:1, like without doing anything else? Yeah. You can get a quick shot here if price comes back to this area. That's a good 1.5. Then you can get a 2R here. We can really get a 2R here if it agrees to come to this fair value gap here. We can get a 2R. Let's see if they come back to this entry here. If we get to that fair value gap, that's a good that's a good point to like short. You see, if we get to that point again, you can place our SL above this point there, or strictly around this area here. Let's see what they give us. remember we are below, we are below yesterday's low. So we have to be careful, because this is the place where you get like explosive moves upwards without realizing where you fail to realize where those moves came from. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you, like, you need to like be aware. You need to like be aware of these scenarios, where you are at the moment and where you want your targets to go. Okay, so I'll go in here and I'll target a clean 2R. Okay, so once the market comes to that point, it will be activated, then we will short it again. Okay, yeah, let's see. Yeah, that's a good entry point. Yo, I was about to press my short button, and I'm like, yo, I'm not selling there, but I should sell. I guess my analysis is telling me to sell. I guess I should sell around here, bro. Yeah, let's sell. I think we've started to reject, but sometimes you can. Yo, that candle is so massive. Plus, we are in the previous day low, man. I'm not selling, yo. I'm not selling. I'm not selling. No, I'm not selling. I'm not selling there. Yo, we are below previous day, like previous day low. No, I'm not selling there. I'm not selling there, bro. I'm not selling there. I won't lie. I'm not selling there. I'm not selling there. That's a very huge candle to sell. Like, yo, I'll just stay sidelined and watch. Also, I've already taken a loss, so I won't be selling, because now that candle, plus we are in the like previous low. Yeah, I guess if this gives us a buy now, I'll buy. If it gives us a buy, I'll be buying gladly. Then I'll be using this as a breaker. Still a trade idea, because we've already taken this liquidity. Like, yeah, we've already taken this liquidity, and it's previous day low. Okay, yeah, so let's see. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame. If we close above these three candles here, we'll get ourselves a breaker, and that will be a very good trade idea to go long. Okay, yeah, I'm still watching this thing. Like, yo, I think if I took that sell, I'll be crying right now because of a loss. Yo, yeah, and it's always okay to change like a narrative. Okay, you don't need to stick like to one narrative for long. You can just switch narrative. You can see something different happening. I believe that's okay. Yeah, let's go to the that's the 1 minute. Let's go to the 3 minute time frame. Let's go to the 3 minute time frame and see what we have here. Okay, yeah, let's see what we have here. So we have like if I get a 3 minutes fair value gap, I'll target that the buy that I took before. I guess it's what's trying to unfold here. Let's see, like, in the next 3 minutes, if we get a fair value gap. Like, if I get a good fair value gap, yeah, I'm buying. Yeah, I'm buying. Let's see how it goes. Alright. Yeah. Love for us to close above that 3-minute like order block. I'd love for us to close above there. But we still have an inverted fair value gap around here. Let's mark it because it might be used. Okay, they might use this inverted fair value gap here for some longs. You never know. Like we just step reading here. Okay, nothing else. We just step reading and watching. If the market gives us an opportunity to enter, then we enter. Okay, so I'll anticipate this form of let's go bullish, or I start like some bullish position, some long. Yeah, I still think my longs are valid, but first I'd want for this 3 minutes to close first before I can do anything. Let's see how we close. We have about a minute, then we'll see that candle closure. Let's see. Yeah, we've opened, so can get an entry there. That's a clean 3R if it gives us that. That's a clean 3R. Yeah. Will you enter our targets? Let's see. Yeah, let's see how that works. I just pressed my buy button. Yeah, I just pressed my buy. Now let's see how it works, bruh. If they hit us on this, bruh, I'm closing the laptop, bruh. If they hit me on this, I'm closing the laptop, bruh. No lie. But I hope I've just got a good one, man. I really hope so. I really hope so that I caught a good trade. Because damn. Yo, just now, why are you dropping now? Like, you should be going up, bruh. Like, have mercy on Rust. Yeah, they say like prayers don't work in trading, but sometimes you gotta put God first in this thing, man. Cause yo, this thing can really mess you, bruh. You know. But we'll keep it cool, bruh. Like, yeah, we'll keep it cool and wait, see how it plays out. You need to keep going up, bruh. Yeah, we need to go up now. Are you going up? Yo, why are you opening like yo? You need to go up, bruh. Like, for real, for real. Alright, let's keep going up. Now this is playing with my medulla. Like, you need to give me like good pumps the way you come for my stop loss, bro. Like, if you're going to my side, just give me some good pumps, because we've already took out like previous day low, and since we've took out previous day's low, you don't need to stop at my entry, bruh. Like, what the fuck? Yeah. Okay, let's be patient and calm and watch how these things turns out. Some water to keep myself cool. I think trading can really make you like hydrate. Yeah, I think trading can make you hydrate really well, okay? So this trade, I'm really positive about this trade, like for real. Just the moment I'm saying I'm really positive, you're trying to like dump on me, like. Yeah, I'm still positive on this trade. Now I'm anticipating for it to like fly. How many points? Let's be ready for that TP. We gotta be positive, bro. Like, we gotta be positive, man. Okay? Yeah, that's 200 points. 221. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah, you need to go up, Mr. Candles. You need to go up, bro. Like, for real, you need to go up. I don't know why you holding it there. Like, can't you give me like 3 big candles to the upside? Like, just 3 big. Okay? And I won't close at 1:2. I'll go up to this area, but I'll take some partials. I'll take some partials once we get to 1:2. Yeah. Okay, now shoot up. You need to like shoot up now. Like, really shoot up, bruh. Yeah. Yeah, I'm watching you. I'm watching you, Mr. Nasdaq. Yeah. Yeah, let's... Yo, don't do that, bro. Don't do that. Like, keep shooting up, bro. Like, yeah. I really want you to shoot up, bro. You know, like, sometimes... I don't know why sometimes when I enter the trade, they start, like, slowing down this way. Like, I don't know why. Yo. Do you really want to do that to me, Mr. Nas? Yeah. Let's go. Alright, let's go. Let's push up, bruh. Yo. Now, I think I'll remain cool now. Yeah, let's stay cool and watch the market play out, okay? Let's be chill. Let's be chill now. Yeah. Let's be chill. Yeah, I think we're doing fine. I think we are doing fine. We're still doing... Yo, you started to drop, bruh. Like, what? I saw, like, let's watch. Like, this is not nice, man. Like, you need to shoot, bruh. Like, why are you not using that fair value gap? Like, we've already violated that order block. And now I'm waiting for you to, like, shoot up. And now you're here, like, keeping me waiting forever, bro. Like, yo, do we need to do that here? Like, we don't have to go all that length. Like, you just need to go and hit my TP, like the way you hit my SL. It was so fast. Now I want you to hit my TP the same way. because I'm not moving my stop loss to break even. Nah, I'm not doing that. You'll have to hit my SL Nasdaq. You'll have to do that. You'll have to hit my SL if you want me to like quit this thing for today. Because once you hit my SL, I'm not coming back again. But I really want you to come and hit my TP, bro. Like the whole of this week, I've not seen a TP, man. Like I've not seen a TP, bro. It's crazy. It's crazy. Like you can go a week without hitting a winner. But the best thing is that we manage our risk like efficiently. That's the best part, and that's the best thing that I love about trading. When you can manage your losses, I believe the winners will take care of themselves. Yeah, I think we are going on well. But I really want you to like be fast and furious, okay? The same way you take out my. Hey, yeah, now that's it. Like, let's keep pushing, bro. Let's keep pushing. Yeah. You can give me like 3 or 4 big candles in the 3 minutes. Like I've missed seeing that type of action, like seeing your profit like just go like speedily, like increasing faster. Yeah, man, I miss that feeling. Yeah, let me drink some water because this thing will kill me if I don't. Like, yo, how like? No, don't drop, bro. What the? Don't drop, like. Don't do that. Yeah. Who? When I'm trading, the water tastes so fine. Like, I don't know why, but when I'm trading my water, like, it's really refreshing. And it's really. Yo. What the? Just don't do that to me, bro. Like, don't do that. Yo, what? Oh, shit. Like, I feel like it's a stab, bro. Like, I know, yo, just go to my TP, bro. Just go to my TP now. Like, I'm dead serious. Like, let's not play now. Like, this is not fun anymore. Like, Nasdaq, like, yo, we need to hit that TP. Okay, let me see a more Kenya from Mr. ICT. What he's saying. Because if he's saying like we are selling, I'm fucked. Okay, let's check out Mr. ICT. What's he saying? You know, the reason why I've bought there is because like we just took out a previous day low. Okay, we just took previous day low. I believe that's why right now. Okay, did we just close on an engulfing? Yo, so I'd love for us like this, if these candles close above that black stupid candle, yo. God damn, this is crazy, bro. Like, this is very crazy, man. This is crazy. Yeah. This thing is dropping like a motherfucker. Like, do you have to drop that way? You don't need to drop, like, yeah. Like, now I hope we use that inverted fair value gap there. Yeah, I hope that's our last stop. If you use that inverted fair value gap, man, like, yo, I'll just watch, like, waiting for whatever happens to happen. Yo, like, come on, like, are you really gonna do that to me, bruh? Are you really gonna do that to me? Oh boy. Okay. Yeah, I think we might get some ass whooping. I think we might get some ass whooping here. But it's alright, no problem. Like whatever happens, bruh. Like yo, like what's happening in this week? Like goddamn. Ooh, this is crazy. 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 I think I'm getting liquidated again. Like yo, wallahi, I'm getting liquidated. I'm not. I'm not surviving this. Like what? But I'll still hold it. Hold it through. I'll still hold it through. I'll still hold it through and see what happens. Like yo. Now this is the real raw and rare. This is it. Like this is the emotion that you get while trading. Not so many people do this. Like not so many people will show you when they're trading live. Like I'm showing it to you. Like what happens if I'm getting those losses. That's why I'm saying. I tell people that you can get like a long week of losses. Okay, it's normal. It's not normal. You don't need to get those losses for it to sound normal. But I'm showing you the real deal. Like yeah, me reading it wrong in front of you guys. Okay, me getting the losses in front of you. Like right now I'm like 2% in my prop form. Let me show you my prop form. Like I'm 2% down. Okay, let me show you my prop form. Like I'm 2% down. Okay, so that's it. That's the real and rare, real raw and rare. Okay, not so many people can show you how the trading works. Most people will sell you the dreams, nothing else. Like, and that's the best thing about my journey. Like I love telling people the truth. Like this thing is not a play. It's not a child's play. Okay, it's not a child's play. You have to be ready to, like, how will I put it? Like you have to be ready and to be able to contain your emotions. Okay, because if you don't contain your emotions, this thing can fuck your mind up. Okay, because once you take a trade, like there's no controlling it. Okay, once you take a trade, there's no controlling it. And once you start shifting and closing your positions, like selling and buying and selling at the same time, you incur more losses. Okay, the best thing is that like you need to like stick to that one after you've taken that position. Okay, once it's a sell, you need to stick it to a sell. Okay, not closing the sell and buying again. Nah. Like today I've took just 2 buys. Okay, the first buy was a loss. I risked 0.25% of my prop firm. This second trade I've risked the same thing, 0.25%. Okay, so I've risked 0.5% in total. Okay, 0.5%. Okay, it's not even 1%. So that's it. Like you need to have a very strict risk management, or else you won't survive these markets. That's the real deal. Like that's the real deal. If you don't take good risk management, you'll get messed up. Because because this week I've just won one trade, I guess, and it was a gold trade. In Nasdaq I've not won any trade. Okay, I'm even thinking of changing this Nasdaq pair and trading US 30. Even actually, let me check out US 30. What's US 30 doing? Yeah, I think I'll go back to my US 30, because yo, this is crazy, my boy. This is crazy. This is crazy. Okay, nothing is making sense to me, like in the market right now. I won't lie, nothing is making sense to me. So that's why you need to be like that's why you need to have a strict risk management plan, or else you'll be messed up. Okay, you'll be messed up if you don't do that. This is gold. US. Let's go back to our US 100 chart and see what's happening. Yeah, we've not hit our SL still. Yeah, we're still on. Yo, I hope they go up, man, and they hit my TP. even if it's delusional. Like, yo, I really hope they do so, because yo, this week I've seen dust. Like, for real, this week it's been messy on my end. I won't lie. Like, this week, yo, this week it's been messy. It's been really messy. Do I have what do I have here? Okay, I hope we hit the TP now. I hope, like, we've missed that SL. I hope we start shooting upwards. Yeah, I hope we start shooting upwards and moving up. Okay, I'd love for us to do that, man. Okay, let me peep what Stanja is doing, because I know I might steal some idea from her.
My work is easy because I use ClickUp. Here's how I keep track of all my tasks. I start by brain dumping.
Yeah, let's see. All right. I'm long my buy. I'm long. I'm still long. I'm still sticking to my guns, y'all. Even if it's messy. It's really messing me. It's really messing me, man. It's really messing me. Let's see. Yo, I think they want to come for my SL. Like, I don't think I'll survive this, yo. I think my SL is getting hit. My SL is getting hit today. There's no surviving this. Let's look at DXY. What's dollar doing? So let's look at the 15 minutes. Yeah, I think we have like bullish price action for dollar. I need to start including dollar in my charts, like for real. I think I'll start doing that. I've been ignoring dollar for some time now, and I think that's the reason why I'm getting this type of losses over here. Because when the dollar is going up, DXY officially goes down. You can see that's why I'm hitting these stupid stop losses here. Okay, because this dollar price is going really up. You can see it here. You can see it. Okay, from 939 we hit that fair value gap, then start going up. Okay, yeah, I think that's the hack. We need to introduce DXY. We need to journal that, bro. We need to journal that, or else we'll be killed by this market. Yeah, we've officially accepted that loss, man. So we need to like journal like what to include. Okay, journaling. Do you journal? By the way, I journal a lot. Okay, so the XY should be included in the analysis. Okay, no DXY analysis, not trade. Okay, not trade. No, hala, we're still moving. We're still moving. So I think I think we've officially hit that stop loss, and I guess we can confidently leave this stream. Okay. Yeah. We already hit two SL back to back. Yo. Yeah. Yeah, so thank you for my 14 viewers, man. I hit today 14 viewers, bruh. So thank you for that, man. We're still learning gradually. We'll get there, no problem, no rush. We will get there. Okay, so stay tuned, bruh. Stay tuned. Until next time, man. You can see this is my perform. We are down like 2%, like 2%. Yeah, that's it. So until tomorrow, bruh. See ya.